Hello, my name is Erin. This tutorial shows how to insert images inside text in Microsoft Word. Word doesn't provide a way to do this with regular text, so the process shown here is a workaround using Word's Smart Art feature. I'll be using Word for Microsoft 365. These steps also apply to Word for Mac and the single purchase versions of the software back to Word 2013. To begin inserting an image into text, place your cursor where you want to insert the text. This can be an approximate placement because we can adjust the placement later on. Next, select the Insert tab in the ribbon, and then select the Smart Art button in the Illustrations group. PC users can select Basic Block List in the Choose a Smart Art Graphics dialog box, and then select the OK button. If you're on a Mac, select Lists from the drop-down menu, and then select Basic Block List from the submenu. Next, press your Delete key until there's only one Smart Art text box remaining. Now type your text into the placeholder, and then select the text. Select the Home tab in the ribbon, and then choose a new font and size. Next, select the Format tab in the ribbon. Note that this tab is only available when a Smart Art design is selected. With the text still selected, select Text Fill, and then select Picture from the drop-down menu. If you're on a PC, select the location of the image in the Insert Pictures dialog box. If you're on a Mac, you can locate your image through the Finder window instead. Next, locate and select the image, and then select the Insert button. The image should now appear inside the text. To give it a bit more prominence, you may want to select Text Outline, and then choose an outline color from the drop-down menu. If necessary, return to Text Outline, select Weight, and then choose an option to make the outline thicker or thinner. And then select Text Effects and add additional effects such as a shadow or glow. Today I'm going to add a shadow. Next, use the Size menus to reduce the size of the text box surrounding the text. However, avoid reducing the size too much, or you'll also reduce the font size. And then select the top or bottom resizing handle on the Smart Art wrap and drag the wrap to reduce the size as much as possible, once again being careful not to change the size of the text. Now, click inside the text to select the text box. Select Shape Fill, and then select No Fill from the drop-down menu. Then click outside the text box, but still within the Smart Art wrap, and select the Wrap Text menu, and then select a position from the drop-down menu. This position determines how your Smart Art text will be positioned with the surrounding text. The tight option will work best for most users. The text with interior image should now be positioned in your body content. You can adjust the position or edit the text as necessary. And as always, remember to save your file to save your changes. All the steps we just performed are listed with images on my website at erinwritewriting.com, which is linked in the description box below, along with my playlist, How to Use Microsoft Word, which offers my full collection of step-by-step Word tutorials. Feel free to leave me a comment if there's a specific topic that you'd like me to talk about in the future. And please subscribe to my channel so you don't miss upcoming tutorials. And give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. Thank you so much for watching.